Let me ask you something. Both charts touched the exact same moving average. One bounced, one failed. So, was the EMA wrong? Or were we asking the wrong question? By now, you've learned trends, structure, support, pullbacks, and confluence. Today, we're adding one more clue. Not a prediction, a clue. A moving average doesn't tell the future. It simply summarizes where price has been. Think of it as a guide to the trend, not a buy button. Which chart would you trust more? Chart A or chart B? Chart A, because price is clearly an uptrend, making higher high and higher lows, healthy pullbacks. Whereas in chart B, price structure is weak. There is no strength in price momentum. So price, just by staying above, will not decide buy or sell. Voice. Let's test your eyes. Here's a real chart. What do you notice first? Trend. Then, the EMA. Notice the EMA simply supports what price structure was already telling us. This is where many beginners struggle. Every EMA touch is not an opportunity. Always ask, what is the market structure saying? Don't follow the EMA. Let the EMA confirm what the chart already tells you. Brush text. Voice. The next time price touches an EMA, don't ask, should I buy? Ask, does the market structure agree? That's how professional chart readers use moving averages. If you're learning chart reading from scratch, subscribe to the Chart Reader. Next episode, we'll put everything together and learn how to analyze any chart in under 30 seconds. Until then, read the chart. Understand the story. Remember, indicators can help you to make decisions, but price will tell you the story.